Welcome back to Tidbit Takeaways, where we serve up bite-sized truths. Today, we're unraveling a classic myth. Does eating before swimming really give you cramps? Many of us grew up hearing this warning, but is there any truth to it? Let's dive in. Contrary to popular belief, there's no evidence that eating before swimming directly causes cramps. In fact, a light meal before swimming can provide the energy needed for a safe and enjoyable swim. So why do some people experience cramps after swimming? It's more likely due to dehydration or overexertion rather than the act of swimming itself. Staying hydrated and listening to your body's hunger cues is key. So next time you hit the pool, feel free to enjoy a snack before diving in. That's it for today's myth-busting tidbit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more truth-filled takeaways. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.